Today, we are diving into a very special AI model called FLUX One Kontext. This isn't exactly an image generation model, it's an image editing model. Let me show you what makes this special. You can input an image like this one with a snowflake in front of a girl's face and simply tell it to remove that snowflake using text instructions. You can change the entire context and environment of an image. You can easily change styles like Simpson style, Pixar style, or Studio Ghibli style. Right now, you can use this model in a playground created by the FLUX Kontext chat team. Just drag in an image and start chatting with the AI to edit it. Let's start with this image. I'll ask to make the image taken on a dark night. Look at that. It returns practically the same image, but taken in total darkness. One of the most interesting things you can do is simply relight any scene. Now let's try something more complex. I'm going to ask, I want this image taken in the middle of a forest at sunset. Now we're in a forest with soft, dim lighting. It looks a bit cloudy, but the transformation is impressive. We can edit the environment without changing the main subject. Let me ask, I want this forest to be snowy. Wow, amazing! It generates a practically identical image, but now the forest is covered in snow. We can also modify the main element itself. I'll ask, I want the man in the image to wear a winter red hat. Look how it preserves the entire structure but adds the red hat perfectly. Here's perhaps the most impressive example. I have this picture that I used in another of my videos, which is a coffee shop full of people. Let's ask, remove all the people in this photo. The result is really good. The consistency is practically perfect. Even small details like this, the fisheye perspective, is maintained flawlessly. Keep in mind, this is designed for editing, not generating new images from scratch. Let me show you what happens when we push it too far. I asked it to put the guy in the picture in a Far West tavern dressed as a cowboy. That worked reasonably well, but when I asked for him to be playing poker animatedly, holding cards like a scene from a Western, the results became less convincing. When I asked for him to be surrounded by other players instead of generating a proper poker scene, it just randomly added people who don't even fit the Western theme. This model excels at editing existing images, not generating completely new concepts. But when I ask for a different camera angle, it makes a really good job, showing the potential to play around with the environment of the image. The real power comes from combining this with other AI image generators. For example, you can use Recraft to generate a quality-based image, then use FLUX Kontext to make precise edits. I generated this image of a gorilla playing ping pong, then asked Kontext to change the shirt to blue and with a logo of a banana. It executed this really well. FLUX Kontext is an excellent tool for image editing when you need to make specific changes to existing images. It's particularly powerful when combined with other AI image generation tools. And that's it for this video. If you like it, please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to receive notification on my new videos. And remember, the AI we are living in today is just the beginning. The best is yet to come. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.